everyone, this is Maria, and today I'm going to do a toy unboxing of these mystery packs of Chubby, Puppies, and Friends. And it says it includes 2 Chubby Puppies and Friends, ages 4 and older. And then we have one here and one here right behind each of these paws with a question marks because it's a mystery. And so I have 6 different packages. And again, it's series 3. And look at the little chubby puppies here. It looks like there's other animals. I can see a little penguin. And so I see a little lamb. And so I purchased these at our local 99-cent store a couple of weeks ago. They were 99 cents a package. And so let's go ahead and open these up, you guys. I'm just going to snip across the top. And so I don't know what these look like because I've never seen a chubby puppy before. And so let's, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's a little monkey. Oh my gosh, so they're not all puppies. Looks like they're all sorts of little critters. I love this. So cute. And let's go ahead and open this one. Oh, it looks like there's a little guide in here, a little collector's guide. And so you can find out all of their names. This is fun. And so let's go ahead and unfold this. Oh my gosh, look at all of the different ones. So there's puppies, there's kitties, there's farm animals, and then we have safari animals, savanna, furniture. Oh my gosh, there's little furniture and on the go. So that's pet furniture. And so let's go ahead and see which one is in here. Oh, how cute. It's a chubby puppy. I love this, you guys. I love this. So cute. So when I found these at our local 99-cent store, this is all they had left. And so I don't know if they just got them in or if this was the end of it. And so I will be checking again, and be sure to check your 99-cent store too. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, look at this. This looks like a seal. I just love it. And let's see what this one is. Take the little guide out here, the collector's guide. And look, this is cute, a little kitty. Oh my gosh, I love how they're all chubby. They're so cute. I love it. This is our 3rd package. And so let's open this side first. We have another little collector's guide. And oh my gosh, oh, I love this. This is a little piggy. Oh, how cute. And he has little wings. Oh, these are so much fun. Do you collect chubby puppies? If you do, in the comments below, let me know. And then let me know how many you have in your collection. Oh, look at this little doggy. I love him. Okay, so let's open another one. So now I'm really excited opening these. Oops, I think I cut the little collector's guide, so you want to make sure you don't do that. And let's go ahead and snip that off. And let's go with this side first. Oh, a lion. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at his little tail. I love these. I think I said that already. And then we also have, here's the little guide. And let's see what this, oh, look at this little chubby puppy. Look at his little eye. I love this too. So cute. And so we have 2 more. So let's go ahead and open the one in the back. And I'm going to snip off the top very carefully. And let's go ahead and remove this. And let's see what we have. Oh my gosh, it's a little deer. It looks like a reindeer. Look at the antlers. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I love it. And so let's go ahead and open this one. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This looks like maybe, is this a leopard maybe? I know it's a kitty because look at its spots. But what do you think? Is this a little leopard? I'll have to look up his name. And so let's go ahead and set that there. And then we have the very last one. I'm kind of sad because I really love these. I wish I had more. And so let's go ahead and open this up. And let's go ahead and remove the little collector guide. And here it is, here it is. Oh, look how sweet. This is a little lamb. Just so adorable. You can see the curls. I love this. Look at her little tongue. So cute. And so let's go ahead and open this one. Oh, look at this little kitty. I love it, you guys. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. I am in love with these chubby puppies. So here they are, Chubby Puppies and Friends. I love them. They're also adorable. We have all the little chubby puppies and all of their cute little friends. So again, in the comments below, let me know if you collect chubby puppies and how many do you have and which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.